Hello and welcome to this video. We are going to solve the exercise, Exploiting Insecure Output Handling in LLMs. In the video description you will find a link to a write-up. The write-up contains more detailed descriptions. So if you have any questions, just have a look in the write-up. When the exercise starts, your shop should look like this one. Click on the register link to register a new user. Now enter the username, email address, and password in the form. You can find the email address in your email client. The email address is different for you, as it is generated anew with each exercise. Back in the form, click the Email Client button and you will see a registration email in your email client. Now we log in with the user account we just created. To do this, we click on the My Account link and enter our login details in the form. Username hacker1 and your chosen password. After successfully logging in, we see our user account. Now let's switch to live chat by clicking on the live chat link. In the prompt, we enter the following HTML tag img src equals 1 honorer equals alert 1. When we send the message, we receive a warning window in the browser telling us that the chat window is vulnerable to XSS. Now let's go to the shop and select any product. It is important that it is not the leather jacket. To do this, click on the home link. In this example, we will select the product, eye protectors, and click on the View Details button. In the product description, we insert the same HTML tag as before into the field for a product review. Do not forget the code. If we look at the source code of the website in the browser, by right-clicking View Page Source, we can see that the payload is securely HTML encoded, which means that the review functionality cannot be exploited directly. We now return to the live chat and ask the LLM which functions it supports. As you can see, the XSS from earlier is still active. The question is, which functions do you support? Password_reset. This feature allows you to request a new password by entering your username or email address. Product_info. This feature provides information about the products we sell. You can enter the exact name or ID of the product to see details. It may be necessary to enter this input several times before the LLM issues a warning about malicious code in the product review. We now return to the product description for eye protectors and delete our old rating by clicking on the red X. Now we will create a new product review and insert an iframed tag into this review. You can copy this code from the write-up so you don't have to type everything in. This code deletes the account of the user reading the product review. Back in the live chat, we ask the LLM for information about the product, eye protectors, using the function product_info. Again, several inputs may be necessary before the LLM issues a warning about the content in the product reviews. After receiving this warning, we are still logged in as users. This means that the LLM successfully detected and ignored the malicious payload. We delete the old product review. Now we create the new product review and insert our code from the previous example into this review. This time, however, we put it in a meaningful sentence. You can copy this code from the write-up so you don't have to type everything in. And submit the review. In the live chat, we ask the LLM again for details about the product, eye protectors, using the product_info function. We simply copy the function from a previous step. In the response, we see that the iframe tag has been opened, which means that the payload was successful. When we click on the My Account link, we are redirected to the login form, which means that our user account has been deleted. We will now register a new user, as we did at the beginning of this exercise. The username is hacker2. We copy the email address from our email client again. And the password is 123456. We now need to click on the link in our confirmation email to create the new user account. We now need to click on the link in our confirmation email to create the new user account. In the shop, we now select the product Lightweight L33T leather jacket and go to the product description. Since we must be logged in as a user to write product reviews, let us log into the shop with our new user account. Now let's add the product review from the previous step. If you want, you can copy this code from the write-up again. After submitting the review, we wait for Carlos to open the product description so that the exercise can be successfully completed.